Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new user in MySQL. Let's go to the computer where I have a command line interface pulled up. The very first thing we have to do is log into the database as a user who has permission to create new users. To do so, let's type MySQL and then the user, and root is the most common one that's allowed to create new users. That -u tells us to log in as root, and the -p tells it to ask me for my password. Now that I'm logged into the database, I'm going to create a new user. To do so, just say create user, and let's give it a name. Type a apostrophe. Let's type the name of the user. I'm going to say my user. Another apostrophe to end the username. And then an @ symbol, like you do in an email. And then another apostrophe. And now we're going to type the IP address or the computer that user is allowed to connect from. I'm only going to allow my user to connect directly from the local computer. So let's say localhost, and then a closing apostrophe, and then a semicolon. Let's say enter. And as you can see, that query went OK, and the user was created. Let's set the password for that user. Set password for, and then let's retype our user, my user, with all the apostrophes at the location he's allowed to log into, equal to, and let's say password, all uppercase, my user password. Now notice I put that in parentheses, because this password is actually a function that's going to create a hash of that password. Let's end it with a semicolon and say enter. Let's log in as that user by exiting, running MySQL again, but this time saying my user, and for the password, my user password. I'm now logged in as that user. My name's Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to create a new user in MySQL.